Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to SCS VAJRA Tutorials. How are you all? I hope all are good. Let us start vocabulary session. In part of that, word of the day is wicked. It is an adjective. Meaning of wicked is evil or morally wrong. Telugu meaning of wicked is dushta and chedu. Let us see synonyms, antonyms of wicked. Look at synonyms: bad, evil, impish, and antonyms are obedient, clean, moral. Sentence example of wicked is: first sentence, she had a wicked sense of humor. Telugu meaning of this sentence is ఆమెకు చెడు హాస్యం ఉంది. Next sentence is it is wicked to make other people suffer. ఇతర ప్రజలను బాధ పెట్టడం దుర్మార్గం. Thank you for watching.